Good morning, student. This is Nagendra, your computer teacher. I hope you all are fine and happy with your family. In last video, I had discussed the program on double dimensional array. Today, once again, I am going to discuss another program of double dimensional array. And the today's program is write a program in Java to create a 4 into 4 matrix and swap the elements of first row and fourth row and display the swapped matrix after interchanging the elements of first row with the fourth row. So simple input here it is given. In the first row the 4 elements are 12, 21, 13 and 25, and in the last row, that is fourth row, 55, 33, 26 and 14. The output should be after the interchanging, the fourth row goes to the first row for 55, 33, 26 and 14, and the first row goes to the fourth row, that is 12, 21, 13 and 24. So now let us discuss how to solve this program. So first we declare a matrix with 4 into 4, 4 rows and 4 columns. Here I have taken an example. Int m is equal to new int 4 into 4. It means I have declared a double dimensional matrix M with 4 rows and 4 columns. Second, we have to input the elements in this matrix using two formulas, just like the last program. After that, we have to print the original matrix before swapping. Then, for the swapping of first row with fourth row, we take a loop that revolves 4 times, and each time it changes the position of column one by one, because we have to need not to change the position of row. So I have fixed here that M0J. I have fixed the first row position and the fourth row M3J. Okay. So this loop revolves 4 times, and each time it changes the position of column, not the row. So first we store within this loop. First we store the first element of first row in a temporary variable t, and then we replace this first element of first row with the first element of fourth row. After that, we store the temporary variable to first element in fourth row. In this way, we swap the first element of first row with the first element of the fourth row. Now we increase the value of j, then it change the position of column. J is equal to 1. Now we store the second element M0J. J is equal to 1. So second element we store inside the temporary variable t now, and then this second element of the first row is replaced by second element of fourth row M0J is equal to M3J, and after that we store the temporary variable t once again in the second element of fourth row. In this way we swap the second element. So in this way we swap the third and fourth element of the matrix. After that, we once again print the matrix after swapping. So let's start the coding of this program using BlueZoo. So first we import java dot utility package in our program. Then we define a class software. Take example, the name of the class is software. Then public static void main. I have declared the main function. Then again curly brace. Then I have declared three variables of type int, I, j and t. ing for the loop and t for the temporary variable. Then first we declare this double dimensional array m new int 4 and 4 rows and 4 columns. Now a scanner object, we declare the scanner object in is equal to new scanner system dot. Now first we have to input the element in matrix. So system.out.println, I give the message enter the element in 4 into 4 matrix. Now we start first loop for I is equal to 0, I is less than 4, I plus plus. I have taken I is less than 4 because it is 4 into 4 matrix. Then for column we have take the second loop j is equal to 0, j is also less than 4, and then j plus plus. Then I have to write int I j is equal to in dot next int, and in this way we close both the loop. In this way we have to enter all the elements one by one in matrix M. Now before swapping the matrix, I have to print the original matrix. System.out.println the elements of original matrix R. I have given the message before printing. Now once again I have a start the for loop for I is equal to 0, I is less than 4, I plus plus. Then second loop for j is equal to 0, j is less than 4, j plus plus. Then I have to print the element one by one by the help of system.out.print statement m I, then second subscript j. Then we have put the gap between each element. I have taken the print, not the printer, and it print the 4 elements in the first row when I is equal to 0 and j is equal to 0. Then after that, after each row I have to give then this will print the line, change the line after each row. Now our task is to swap the element of first row with the fourth row. So we start a loop for j is equal to 0, j is less than 4, j plus plus. We have interchanged the 4 elements of the matrix. So I have taken a loop that revolves 4 times and it only changed the column position, not the row position. So first I have to store the value of first row in temporary variable, then I have to store, then I have to interchange the value of first element with the fourth element of first element of fourth row. I have fixed the row position 0 and the row position of the fourth row 3. The first time it changed the value of first element of first row with the first element of fourth row, and after that we have store the value of temporary variable in first element of fourth row. In this way I have to interchange the value of first element of first row with first element of the fourth row, and each time the value of the j is increased. In this way we one by one we interchange all the elements of the first row with all the elements of the fourth row. Now we have to print the swapped matrix. So system.out.print, then I give the message the elements after swapping the matrix. Now once again I have to print the matrix for I is equal to 0, I is less than 4, I plus plus, I plus plus, and then curly brace for j is equal to 0, second loop, j is less than 4, j plus plus, then I have to print all the element one by one. System.out.print m I n j I subscript, then j subscript, then plus I have left a position. I have, then we have to close second loop, then first loop. In this way, and before that I have to print system.out.println system.out.println. After each row we have to change the line, and finally we close main method and then class. In this way we complete this program. Now we check the program and then compile. Here one mistake is it is import java.util.star. Okay, after that I have compiled this program and there is no error in this program. Now I have to run this, execute this program, then right click over there, then go ahead. It asks the enter the element in 4x4 matrix. I have to enter the value as per the question one by one, then 81, then 26, 31, 10, then 58, 64, 17 and 12. Then last row is 55, 33, 26, 40. Now see this, the output, the elements of original matrix. The first row is 22, 14, 23, 25, and after the swapping it is the last 22, 40, 23 and 25, and the last row is become the first row 25, 55, 33, 26 and 40. In this way we have to interchange the first row element with the fourth row element. So student, that's all for today. Stay at home, stay safe. Thank you.